YouTubers, this is our first vlog video and we are going to be dyeing my hair purple. The clip from the video that you just watched was posted on January 27th, 2013, which means I have been posting on this YouTube channel for 10 years. So in honor of that, I decided to take a clip from the 400 plus videos that I have on my channel and create a compilation. I've never deleted a single video, so you can still watch all of these. Don't recommend, but you can. But yeah, here we go. Hey guys. I guess we both lose. I recently got a comment on Hello everyone! Hey guys! I am here with my sister. Happy New Year, everyone! Just kidding! Guys, what's up? Just fell in. Really gonna come in here. So I actually just recently quit my job. A video I said change it digitally. What's up? Come back to my channel. Amazing. More. A new video. Didn't work out. It quite honestly blows my mind that it's been 10 years since I started this YouTube channel. I've learned a lot over the years and honestly made a lot of memories that I don't think that I would have made if I hadn't done YouTube. So I don't know, I'm just really grateful for the experience that I've had on here, and as much as I really hate going back and watching all of the cringy videos from when I started YouTube, I feel like it's really beneficial to kind of see how much I've grown as a person that makes YouTube videos. Looking back on 10 years worth of footage was a pretty wild experience. I've I've watched the montage like many times, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I still feel like I have a lot to learn when it comes to making videos and YouTube and the social media world. And honestly, I feel like I'm only just getting started, so I don't see myself quitting anytime soon. So I just wanted to say thank you to anyone who's ever watched a single video of mine, or if you've been here for a while. I'd love to know if you guys recognize any of the videos in the montage and let me know where you started watching. I feel like I could go into a whole entire backstory of why I started YouTube and like my journey throughout the years, which I could make a video on, but I don't think that this is the correct time for that. So I think I'm just gonna leave you guys on that note. Again, thank you so much for watching. YouTube is so much more fun when people watch the videos, but I would continue to make them either way. So thank you, and I will see you guys soon in a new video.